So then, and why we mention dua again here when I mentioned about qadr is because dua and qadr, they have a connection. Dua and qadr have a connection. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam said that nothing can repel or kind of change qadr other than dua. So now the question would come, can dua change qadr? Can dua change qadr, or does dua change qadr? Because everything is written. So we say that qadr, the decree of Allah, is divided into 4 categories. Number 1, it is the qadr that is with Allah in the lawh al-mahfuz. It's in the preserved tablet, in the knowledge of Allah that Allah has and it doesn't change. And this is when Allah Azza wa Jal created the pen, Allah said to it, write. So the pen said, Ya my Rabb, my Lord, what should I write? So Allah said to it, write everything that will be decreed until the day of Qiyamah. So this is the first type of qadr, and it's a qadr that's in the preserved tablet, the lawh al-mahfuz. The second type of qadr is a qadr that is written for a person when he's born, when he's in the womb of his mother. After plus minus 120 days, the soul is blown in. There's difference on this, on how to understand this with the other narration, but let's just use this one to get to the point. And that is, now what is written for a person is a few things, like how long will he live, his age, his actions that he will do, whether he'll be a person of Jannah or a person of Jahannam. May Allah protect us. Whether he'll be a person of Jannah or Jahannam, those few things are written on when the person is still in the womb of his mother. So that's the qadr that happens for a person at that time for his life. Then the third type of qadr is the yearly qadr. And this is what comes on Laylatul Qadr. On Laylatul Qadr, things that are happening in the upcoming year, they are given to the angels now on this night. Of course, they are known by Allah. And then the fourth type of qadr is a daily qadr. A daily qadr that is decreed every day. Allah says, يَسْأَلُهُ مَنْ فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ. Those those in the heavens and the earth, they call out to Allah every day. كُلَّ يَوْمٍ هُوَ فِي شَأْنٍ. Every day Allah has affairs that he deals with. Every day Allah has affairs that He deals with. So that shows there are 4 types of qadr. So now the first type of qadr, that is in the lawh al-mahfuz, that is with Allah's preserved knowledge, and no one has access to this and knows what's in there. That is, only Allah knows. And then the other types of qadr, these, the angels get access to it. But the angels get access only to what Allah gives them access to. And those scrolls of qadr that are come to the hands of the angels, those scrolls, their qadr can be changed. Their qadr can be changed. What type of qadr? They say qadr al-mu'allaq. They say al-qadr al-mubram and al-qadr al-mu'allaq. There's a qadr that is firm, it will never change. And then there is a qadr that is hanging. A qadr that is hanging. So it's hanging on what? It's like it's written in the scrolls of the angels that this person, his life will be so many years. But if he joins family ties or if he gives charity, his life will be that long. Either this long or that long. If he doesn't, it will be this long. So either more, either less. It's hanging based on him giving charity, or based on him supplicating, making dua, based on him joining family ties. Or another person, this calamity will happen to him unless he gives charity. If he gives charity, it won't happen to him. So this is a hanging qadr that can change from what is in the scrolls of the angels. But what is with Allah in the lawh al-mahfuz, Allah knows whether you'd give charity or not. Allah knows whether you'd supplicate or not. But the angel that's going to carry what the command is out, what the qadr is, the angel that's going to carry it out, this can change. And this is what Allah indicates to in the Quran, where He says, يَمْحُ اللَّهُ مَا يَشَاءُ وَيُثْبِتُ Allah وَعِنْدَهُ أُمُّ الْكِتَابِ. Allah says that He deletes whatever He wishes, and He affirms and preserves whatever He wishes. He deletes whatever He wishes, that means from the qadr, that is not with Allah, because Allah says in the end of that verse, وَعِنْدَهُ أُمُّ الْكِتَابِ. And with Allah is we can translate literally the mother of all books, which is referring to what's in the lawh al-mahfuz. What with Allah is what's in the lawh al-mahfuz. And the rest of it, Allah can delete what He wills and preserve or keep what He wills. And that's referring to the hanging qadr, that if a person gives charity, then this calamity will not strike him. So then a person gives charity, it gets deleted. The yamhu Allah deletes it. And then if a person, let's say he does not give charity, and what is written is a calamity on him, and then he does not give charity, then the calamity would be وَيُثْبِت is affirmed. But Allah, in His complete knowledge, He knows whether the person would or would not give charity, or would or would not supplicate, or would or would not join family ties, and things like that. So that's how we understand the qadr and the dua changing qadr.